Count me in when it comes to creamy recipes. So I made this delicious creamy potato beef pottage that you will love. It tasted real good and I can't wait for you to try it out. To see the process on how I made it, please continue watching and make sure you watch till the end. Now let's go. We are going to start with the beef. So in a pot, I'll go in with the washed beef. Now season with a teaspoon of ginger powder, garlic powder, seasoning powder, some salt, and diced onions. Let's give it a quick stir, cover it and allow to steam for some minutes. Checking back after cooking for 2 minutes. Can you see the juice? Remember, we do not add any water to it. Now, let's give it a quick stir. Add some water to it, cover it up and continue cooking until it is soft and tender. Introducing the potatoes. Let's start by peeling them. Afterwards, we proceed to washing and cutting them up into preferred or desired size. You can choose to wash before peeling, whichever one you prefer. Quick one, if this is your first time meeting my video, you're welcome. My name is Ijoma. I post videos on how to make easy, delicious cooking recipes, baking, small chops, snacks, and more. If it sounds interesting to you, please hit the subscribe button so you become part of the family, okay? Now let's season them up. If you noticed, we've added some salt, a teaspoon of paprika powder, drizzle in a little amount of your olive or vegetable oil, and give it a good mix. Mix until well combined, okay? Now that it's properly mixed, I'll transfer into my air fryer and roast. If you do not have an air fryer, an oven, make do of your charcoal. Or better still, deep fry them or you cook them, okay? Now I'll go ahead and fasten it up and allow the air fryer to do the work until it is ready. Moving on, it is time to fry the beef. So in a pan or pot, I'll go in with my vegetable oil. Once it is heated, I will introduce the cooked beef. Fry until the outer part looks dry and golden, just like so. Now let's take it out of the oil and set it aside. Moving on to the next stage. Go ahead and reduce the oil. Let's introduce the diced onions right away. The oil is still hot, so we don't need to wait for it to heat up. Now give it a nice stir and allow it to fry for a minute or until fragrant. 1 minute later, go in with the freshly chopped tomatoes, give it a stir and fry till dry. Can you see how smoothly the cooking is going? I have chosen to cook smarter than harder, and that is why I prep my ingredients before cooking. It makes the cooking process easier and less stressful. My darlings, I advise you do same. At this point, it is 80% fried. Now let's season with a teaspoon of ginger powder, garlic powder, a teaspoon of chili powder. Now let's stir that in. The next ingredient to go in is a teaspoon of your dry thyme. Next is the vegetables. I have my finely chopped bell peppers, the green and the red, and also some chopped carrots. Season with a teaspoon of seasoning powder, a pinch of salt. You do not want to oversalt it. Remember, we still have our meat stock, very tasty meat stock coming. So be mindful of the salt you use now. Let's allow it to fry for a minute. 1 minute later, let's introduce the fried beef and the roasted potatoes. Please give it a good stir until everything is well combined. It looks yummy. And if you have watched up until this extent, you've done well. Thank you so much. It means you are enjoying this video. You may consider liking it, commenting, and sharing for others to learn as well. And if you are yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? hit that subscribe button so you become part of us, okay? Now let's go in with the meat stock. And a cup of heavy cream. Pour that in and give it a gentle stir. We are going to cover it and allow it to simmer for a minute or two. Oh my, can you see that? It looks so delicious. We are not done yet. Please continue watching. This is after 2 minutes, guys. It is ready. Yes, almost. You may want to cook for just 1 minute, but I do too because I want the potato and the meat to soak into that creamy sauce. Now, let's garnish it up lastly with some finely chopped spring onions. It is time to give it final gentle stir. Guys, look at this sumptuous goodness. Give it a go. You will love it. Your family will love it too. Now, there may be need for adjustment, so it's very important you test for salt. And this is the right time. Perfect. It is ready. And there you have it, guys. Our delicious, creamy potato beef pottage is set. Imagine having a tasty beef and your potato soaked in a very rich, creamy sauce. Guys, you're not sleeping on this one. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out for you in the comment. Now it is dish up time. Dish it out with me as always. Look at that. Yummy. Quick one. I want to use this medium to appreciate all my newest and returning subscribers. My darlings, thank you for your massive love and support. Always coming back to watch my videos. I'm very grateful. Love you all. We are done plating and it looks so delicious. Can you see that? Someone is salivating. I know. Yes. It is time to devour it. Tell me, what is cooking without eating? My darlings, grab your spoon. Let's go. Guys, it tasted real good and I can't wait for you to try it out. I look forward to your feedbacks. And we've come to the end of today's cooking. Thank you for joining me in creating this amazing recipe. If you find it interesting, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again, keep cooking, eating, and smiling. Bye.